Hello, wonderful people. I greet you all. Here, I want to tell you one thing you should know when coming to United Kingdom. I want you to know that housing accommodation is one of the problem people in UK are facing because a lot of people are coming, a lot of people are migrating. People love to come to United Kingdom. Housing problem is one of the biggest problem in UK, and the accommodation are very costly in UK, especially in London. When you are coming in London, if you don't know anybody, this video is for you. I want to show you where you will go and rent cheapest accommodation, cheapest, affordable, simple one, and very comfortable. Look at the address. So read it and copy it. Screenshot it in case of emergency. Look at where many people used to come and stay and relax. Stay safe. Rest up. There's a lot of them. This one is stay safe. So, I want you to know that a lot of our people in UK, especially in London, they don't have accommodation. They are living in share accommodation. But this is the simple solution for you. This is simple solution for you. This is like dormitory. When you come, you don't have enough money. You can manage here for quite a little time before changing to bigger accommodation. So, dear people, instead of roaming about in the street, here is the better option for you. It's very cheap and affordable. So, dear people, when coming to London, bear in mind that they have accommodation problem and their rooms are also very small. Majority of their rooms are very small. So when coming to United Kingdom, don't be shocked if you see the kind of place they are living. Very, very small. Their living room will be like just a room in Nigeria. In Nigeria, you are living a luxurious life. But when you come to UK, that is the different ball game. I don't want you to be shocked when you come. This is rest up. This is some are calling it rest up. There's a lot of accommodation like this. They call it hostel. They call it dormitory because it has bunk. You can live on top and the other people will live under. You can stay there for many months before looking for proper accommodation. Some stay there to go to school, some stay there to go to work, some stay there to even relax. Some have 8 rooms, 8 bunk, 8 bed, I mean. Some rooms have 8 beds. Some people will be living up and some people will be living down. Some will be thinking, oh, can my property be safe? Yes, because they will give you locker where you will keep your things secure. So don't worry, none of your belonging will be lost. Because we've been hearing about our people being stranded in UK. That is why I say, let me bring this to you. Maybe you don't know about it, so that you will know about it and your worries will be over. You are coming to UK or any place you don't know anybody and you are worried of being stranded. This is simple solution to you. So, my dear people, your worries have been over. So, eight bed. Some has 8 bed in them. Some have 4. Some have 2. The more rooms, the cheaper. The lesser room, the less expensive. So the option is for you. You have to choose where you can afford. If you can choose afford even one room, you can even afford it. They have one room there, but they do everything so that you can afford yes, the capacity of your pocket. You can afford it. Is very affordable. So don't say that you don't know anybody and you don't know where to lie your head. You don't know where to lay your head. So this is simple solution for you. Igbo class word, bringing to you all you need to know about traveling. Because I'm tired of people calling me that, oh, I'm stranded, I'm stranded, I'm stranded. You can equally be in your own country and book this accommodation. When you are in your country, you can be there and book this accommodation. It's very cheap. I know when they are taking £10 per day. £10 per day. Now they're taking like 15 or £12 per day. Find out by yourself. It's very affordable. It's very cheap. Very simple. Safe Stay, London, Elephant and Castle. Look at the address 11442 150 Warworth Road, Sadok. Bye.